Now, for a look at the latest changes in the Trifecta stocks portfolio here at The Street, we've got portfolio manager Chris Versace. Nice to see you, Chris.
Nice to see you, Rhonda, as always.
All right, you made some additions. Tell me about Disney, a stock you added.
Well, Disney was a great name that we added. You have to remember, too, for Trifecta, we've got a triple screen that we have to go through, right? We have the Street quant ratings we have to deal with. Bob Lang is going to look at it from a technical perspective, and I think they call me the fundamental detective. So we kind of look at it this way, and these names have to bubble up as long as all three are giving it the big thumbs up. So from Disney's perspective, look, the stock got hit in August pretty hard, and I've been circling it for quite some time now because we have one of the biggest catalysts coming, Rhonda. Do you know what that is? Star Wars. That's exactly right. On December 18th, that's going to drop, and we've already seen a lot of excitement, enthusiasm percolate up on that name. Force Friday was fantastic, but Disney is much more than that. We're seeing big move as we head into 2016 with more Marvel movies, more Pixar movies, and more Star Wars movies. So from that aspect where content is king, Disney is a place to be.
All right, that's easy to understand. The next stock might be a little bit harder to understand. American Water.
I think that's a very interesting comment, Rhonda, because last time I checked, everybody uses water, right? I know I got showered, shaved to come over and talk to you this morning.
As well.
Fantastic. So it's a different twist on it, okay? Because the water utility industry is extremely fragmented, which is great for a consolidation opportunity here. And the other driving force is that most people don't know this, but when you look around the water infrastructure in the U.S., it actually has a horrible rating, something around a D-, which means you need a company with the balance sheet that can go in and replace and update all the equipment there. So that really puts American Water Works in a great position to be the consolidator of choice.
So do you consider it a utility play then?
I would consider it, a utility play with a lot of growth aspects to it. And what makes it even more appealing to me is ever since the company's gone public, year in, year out, they've raised their dividend. So you have that rising dividend that acts as a nice, step function higher for the stock price.
Yeah, that's where I was getting at, because most people think of utilities as a dividend play, but you also see both with a growth story too.
Absolutely.
All right, Chris Versace, good to see you.
Good to see you.
Thanks. I'm Rhonda Schaffler for The Street.